Hi, seeing this video it means you are interested in learning more about this course. Here's how this course works, what you will gain from it, so you can decide if this is the right course for you.
The first point about this course is that it's based on the book How to be OT Cybersecurity Professional. This book I have wrote for those who are coming from an IT cybersecurity background or from an industrial background who would like to learn the OT cybersecurity. You can find the book available on the website that you can find all the links where to buy it, either a soft copy or a hard copy. It's really a good reference. Either you can follow the training videos or you can also rely on the book as a good reference for you as well. However, either you are going for the book or the videos or both of them, I highly recommend that if you don't have the basic knowledge around networking and TCP/IP communications, is that not to take this course for now, but instead to go and learn the subject about the networking, network communications, and the TCP/IP communications in general before proceeding with this course or with the book.
The course is split into 14 chapters, and they are categorized into 4 main categories. In order to gain the knowledge in the right way, you have to follow the order of the chapters, because it has been designed in a way that we first begin by defining the different terms and terminology, and gradually we build the knowledge around the subject until we cover it in more advanced details. Now, those 4 parts are as follows. So part number 1 is more about the foundation, about defining the different terms, understanding what's an OT, what is the DCS system, what's the SCADA system, and also we speak about the automation, some historical events around the industry, how it has evolved over the years. And then in part 2, we speak more about the communication part. So in the communication, we speak about the protocols in use, we speak about the network architecture in the OT, and also we focus more on the manufacturing in the first 2 parts, where in the part 3, we go into 3 different industries. So the first one is the electrical power substation, and then we speak about oil and gas, and finally in part 3, we go through building management system. In part 4, it's more about the regulations and standards that we use in the OT. So we will speak about some standards, we'll speak about risk assessment, and on top of that, we'll highlight the most important cybersecurity controls that are actually used in the OT systems. Following to some chapters, there are some labs along with the correct answers for these labs. So it's a good exercise for you to test and go through the lab and check if you have done it correctly or not. And also, after each one of the chapters, there is a section around test your knowledge, which is actually a multiple choice questions. You need to answer these questions correctly in order to move to the next chapter. You are eligible in this course for 2 types of certificates. The first one is the certificate that you have completed the course. You will receive it automatically once you have watched all the videos and have passed successfully all the test your knowledge section at the end of each chapter. The second certificate is Certified OT Cybersecurity Professional. You will get this certificate only if you pass the assignment criteria. So at the end of each chapter, you will find an assignment that requires from you to do some extra work. Maybe you are required to do some research, to do some work, some writing, and then you can submit your work. Your work that you have submitted will be reviewed, and then if there is anything that has been generated by any automated tool, it will be rejected, of course. So it has to be your work. It has to be you, based on your knowledge, what you have learned in the course, that you have provided your assignment. Now, at the end of all these assignments for all the chapters, you will also be required to work on a particular subject, which is a sample project that you will be provided with the documentation for it, and then you need to present in a short video format of a duration like between 5 to 10 minutes, all your findings and also what would be your recommendation for this project. You will also be provided with some resources to help you how to build this short video. I have to be clear about the expectation of this course. This is a course that requires from you a lot of hard work and dedication. So if you don't feel like you can dedicate time for it at the time being, so please don't take it right now. I would recommend you wait until you have a free time, because you will have only access to the training and access to submit your assignments for a duration of 6 months. So only take it when you are ready for that. I hope you find this course really the good course for you. I promise you that it will boost your knowledge and will help you to advance in your career. Thank you.